Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the unit down and removing the cover. This exposes the battery, SIM, and antenna. Once open, you reseat the SIM and micro SD while you inspect contacts for corrosion. A quick clean with isopropyl often fixes connection faults. Make sure the battery is charged to at least 50% so voltage-related resets don't interfere. After reassembly, power on and note LED patterns. They tell you whether GSM, GPS, and power subsystems initialized correctly. Once the device boots, you run targeted diagnostics. First, measure battery voltage with a multimeter. If it reads below 3.7 volts, swap the cell because low voltage causes erratic behavior. Next, confirm the external GPS/GSM antenna is firmly attached and shows continuity. A damaged coax kills reception. If hardware seems fine, connect via USB or OTG and update firmware, or perform a controlled factory reset. This clears firmware glitches. You finish by pairing the tracker with its app or server and verifying the device ID and APN settings. Incorrect APN is a common culprit, so double-check spelling and protocol. Once paired, take the device outside and run a live location test for 10 to 15 minutes to allow satellite lock and server updates. If tracking fails, try a different SIM or enable data roaming. And if nothing works, call support. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to a known good SIM to isolate network versus hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.